TGP difference is the employee's commitment to the customer and their high bar that they set for quality. My engineering team has a high bar for quality, and we take pride in the work that we put out, and I see that throughout the whole TGP facility.
The TGP difference is that there's a big focus on wellness here. Personal and physical, just in general, your overall wellness. I think that it's in the workout facility that we have, but even beyond that, it's the ability to ask someone, hey, you look like you're having a rough day, and they care about if you're having a rough day or not. And they're all listening ears and a friend to be there for you while also being your coworker.